Welcome to Lesson 1 of the iWork certification. The first program we're going to be working with is Keynote. The first objective is to build a basic presentation using Outline View. So for our purpose, we're just going to click on this white one, and then click Choose. So it builds it for you. Then you want to get to the Outline View, so you'll click View, then Outline. It's that simple. So now the next objective is to choose a theme and master slides. So you're going to go right here to the themes button and then pick a theme. Doesn't really matter. Pick this one. And now you want to add some master slides. So you're going to click the new button, which adds another slide. Let's just say you don't like the one that it gives you, so you click the masters. Let's say you want photos in it, so you click the photo one. Then it gives you a preloaded photo, and you can add your own little caption. Okay, then next objective is to modify text in the fonts window, format bar, and text inspector. So for that, we're obviously going to need to have some text to format. So let's format this word there. So we're going to go to Format, Font, and let's make it italic. So there you have it. Another way you could do this is by going into the inspector. So you go to View, then go right to Inspector, and then over here click the text, and you could change the alignment of the whole caption. You could change where it's positioned. You could also change the color. Next on the list is to work with the inspector window. That's what we're doing already. There's a lot of things you could do. You could edit the whole document. Like, let's say you want to add a soundtrack to the presentation. Just click iTunes Library. It opens your iTunes library. You could pick a song. If you double click it, it'll play. We don't need to play it right now. I'm sure you guys all know Hello Goodbye. And then you just click and drag it, and there you have it. So when you play your presentation, it should play that song. The next thing on the agenda is to add a shape to contain text. So right now, let's make a new slide. Create a blank one. We're going to add a shape. So you go to the Shapes button. Let's use this little speech bubble. So here, let's make it nice and big so we can fit stuff in here. Okay, and if you want to add text, all you got to do is just double click it, and then you got some text. Okay, the next thing on the list is to add a table and perform some data calculations. Right now we can close this inspector. We can add a new slide. We'll keep a blank slide. Let's add a table. So we got our table there. So for our purpose, we're just going to do a simple data calculation. We'll do some addition. So for the first box, we'll do 1, second box 2, and then for the third box, we're going to make it figure it out for us. So you're going to go to Insert, Function, Sum. There you go. We got 1 plus 2 equals 3. Let's have some more fun. Let's put a 4 there. Let's see if it can figure out 1 plus 4. And not surprisingly, we get a value of 5. We could also put a 6 there. When we go down here, we can add up 2 and 6. We'll get 8. Right here, you could add 5 and 8. Click Sum, get 13. And if you add Function, Sum, you get 10. So 3 plus 10 is 13. 4 plus 6 is 10. And then the final thing on the agenda is to check for spelling errors. So let's add another slide. Pick a new master slide. bullets. So we're going to add some bullets. I am really good at spelling. I do not need spell check. Okay, so for that, we are going to go to Edit, Spelling, click Spelling, then it says really is not a word, do you mean this? And you click that and you click Change. Spelling changes to change. Do not need and spell. And then checks there. And then everything's spelled right in the remainder of the document. So that's it for lesson 1. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks guys and have a good day.